Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather trim seats, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, cruise control, airbags, front, center, power brakes, child safety locks, trip computer, compass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.